Hey guys, welcome to Tech Affairs. Today we are discussing about discoveries which are happened in January 2021. Let's get started the video. First discovery is Super Earth. Astronomers have discovered a super Earth orbiting a 10 billion year old star about 280 light years away from our planet, named TOI 561b. The planet density is the same as that of the Earth. Its orbit is star every 12 hours and is too hot to sustain any known form of life. The started with a significant discovery in planetary science. Astronomers using NASA Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite and the high-resolution X-ray spectrometer on the Keck Eye telescope at the WM Keck Observatory found 3 planets orbiting a star that is 10 billion years old. One of the planets, named TOI 561b, is a super Earth that orbits its planet star every 12 hours. The star system lies about 280 light years away. Next discovery is Gravitons and PBHS black holes. Astrophysicists are aware 2 ways by which a black hole can form. One is when a massive star collapses at the end of its life, and the other is when 2 neutron stars merge. These 2 scenarios lead to the formation of a stellar mass black hole. There is another class of black holes called the primordial black holes that might have formed soon after the Big Bang. According to our recent theory, Gravitons could have formed these primordial black holes. Next discovery is NASA mission extensions. NASA has extended the mission exploration of 2 of its iconic space missions, Juno and InSight. The Juno spacecraft launched on August 5, 2011 has been exploring Jupiter since 2016. The Juno spacecraft and its mission team have made discoveries about Jupiter's interior structure, magnetic field, and magnetosphere. They have found its atmospheric dynamics to be far more complex than scientists previously thought. Next discovery is no phosphine on Venus. In September last year, a team of researchers claimed to have detected phosphine on Venus. Phosphine is a toxic gas comprising 3 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of phosphorus. According to the researchers, the discoveries of phosphine could indicate the existence of life on Venus. Since then, several researchers have challenged their report, and now the original claim has received a fresh blow from 2 new research papers. Next discovery is the fastest magnetar. Using NASA Chandra X-ray Observatory, astronomers have detected the fastest spinning magnetar about 21,000 light years away. The magnetar could the youngest one too. Magnetars are neutron stars with incredible magnetic field. The magnetic field of a magnetar can be of the order of 100 trillion T. Such objects are unlikely to support the life of the planets around them. With such a high magnetic field, if a magnetar enters halfway between the Earth and the Moon, it can destroy all the information from the Earth credit cards. Next discovery is a sextuple star system. Astronomers have discovered a sextuply eclipsing sextuple star system. Quite a lot to digest, I know. In our solar system, we have a star, the Sun, around which all the planets move. But that's not the case with most of the stars in universe. Many stars are in binary system, 2 stars orbiting a common pericenter. Every triple star system are common, but astronomers at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center have found a sextuple star system using Exoplanet Hunting Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite TEWS. Titan Lake. Before disintegrating in the atmosphere of Saturn, the Cassini spacecraft left us with huge amounts of data. 3 years after the end of Cassini, scientists have found that the largest lake on Saturn moon, Titan could be 1000 feet deep. Back in 2014, preliminary data from this flyby suggested that Kraken Mare was at least 115 feet, 35 meters deep, but extended further. The newly released result show the lake is nearly 10 times deeper than that early estimate. Data on Kraken Mare was collected during Cassini 104 flyby of Titan on August 21, 2014. Engineers are working on a submarine concept that, if funded and approved by NASA, could launch in the 2030s to plumb Titan Lake. This is all about the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.